So hey Lawn Care Nation, as you guys can see behind me there, I've got a brand new Milwaukee tool to check out today. So let's get into it. So this is the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 8-inch hedge trimmer kit. This is a tool I've been really wanting to get my hands on for a little while now. As you guys know, if you do follow me, I've been using the Milwaukee hedge trimmers for a few years now, including the original hedge trimmer there, the M18 version, as well as the quick lock, and have not used gas hedge trimmers ever since using this unit about 3 years ago. So I was really excited to get my hands on the smaller version of Milwaukee's hedge trimmers for that detail work, just for the smaller shrubs and hedges, and to be able to work in more confined spaces where using the larger one is a little bit more difficult, or using the quick lock system. So this is the full kit, model number 2533-21, 8-inch hedge trimmer kit. And as you can see here, it comes with the tool itself. It comes with a M12 regular charger. It comes with a pretty large capacity, 4 amp hour M12 battery, and it comes with the cover for the cutting teeth, or the blade there. As far as the specifications go, this unit has a blade length of 8 inches, a cut capacity of 1/2 inch. The blades move at 2,700 strokes per minute. The length of the unit with the battery is 22.5 inches, and the weight with the included battery is 3.6 pounds. So pretty straightforward unit, as you'd expect. Milwaukee's legendary build quality, very solid, very durable feeling. It's got the little safety lock there right by your thumb, available on both sides, so whatever hand you're using, so you would put that down and pull the trigger to get the unit started. Really nice looking teeth there. Again, has that 1/2 inch cutting capacity, which is absolutely fantastic. I've used some other brands of similar units, and the cut capacity there was just so small that almost rendered them useless for most situations. So this one here, with a larger space there between the teeth, should be make it much more useful in trimming all sorts of different plants. It's got a little 4-bar or 4-light battery level indicator there. So once you put the battery in and start using it, that's going to light up to show you your state of battery life at the moment. So let's throw the battery in it. I think it's about half a charge on that battery at the moment, and put it in there. And I've got a bunch of little bushes and stuff around the property that I can try out some different trimming with that unit. So let's get to it. Okay, so just for comparison's sake, I've put the 8-inch hedge trimmer there beside the original full-size Milwaukee handheld hedge trimmer. So you can see it's about half the length of the original unit. All right, so we'll see here. Turn it on, and you can see the power indicator on it there. 2 bars. We got half a battery, and see how it does through this kind of little bit thicker vines. No problem. Nice and quiet. You can even see through here that it actually went through a pretty woody stem there. Just goes through it, no problems there. Everything's wet from the rain last night. On a different type of shrub here. This is a little bit more thick and woody there too. You can see there the wood stalks. Again, no issue at all going through the woody stuff. Let's try it out here on this boxwood. Very simple with boxwoods, of course. We've got some more woody type stems in here. The hydrangea, as you can see, is very woody. Try that. No problem. A normal cedar hedge. Try an azalea here. This one is very woody. So there you have it, Lawn Care Nation. That is the Milwaukee M12 8-inch hedge trimmer kit. Absolutely fantastic. Was able to cut all of the different plants that I tried effortlessly, going through those more woody type plants, being able to cut a bunch of different leaf sizes. That large half-inch cutting capacity really makes a difference compared to some other brands that I've used with smaller cutting capacities that almost render them useless for anything outside of, say, boxwood hedges, where this was able to tackle a variety of different plants with ease. So another winner from Milwaukee. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this Milwaukee M12 hedge trimmer kit, and if you've used something similar like this in your lawn care business. So that's it for this one, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.